Okay, let's do practice number 3. Right, start with the rectangle. This time the rectangle should be 5 by 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 on the width by 2, 4, 5, 7, or 8. Let's just do 8. Explode, X for explode. Let's do the width is 4.75, 4 3/4. From the left side over. Let's do it again. Measure the height, which is 2 1/4, 2.25. And again, the depth is 2.25. I could have just kept it there. 2 1/4 for the depth. Okay. Now, got another on our height. 1 and 1/8, 1.125 from the bottom up. And then from the top of the front view down, 1.5. Then from left to right, we have 1 3/8, 1.375. And then like 2 from here. Okay, that's probably good for my front view. Now for my side view, we got those. Just need 1 1/8, 0.125 here, and from the top. I think that should do it. So let's trim this middle part. We don't need it. Okay, let's try it again. There you go. Delete that. Now let's trim on the top view. We don't need this one. On this front view, this one. We need that, we need that. We don't need those, and we don't need those. That's good. The side view, that one's going to be a hidden line. We don't need this one or this one. And we don't need those two. So let's change this one to a hidden line. And I think we are good. Okay, so let's change it to the dimension line. And for the width, we need 1, 2, 3. And I want one to show the details here. One here and one on this side. Do one to show the entire width right here. The height, I want to show this detail here. In fact, I probably, since to show how high this is, I don't want to go through this object, so I'm going to go to the object line, or this hidden line. No, that's not wonderful, but neither is going through the object. Then we can do this one and this one. That's one, 2, 3. Good, we need 3 for that. Then for the depth, we need 1, 2. We'll have 1 on this detail to show that detail, and then 1 to show the full width or depth. Okay, and we want these in. Change the measurement type or the dimension type to fractional, and probably 1/8 is as fine as we need to go here. And then do regen. Actually, I think I forgot to do something here. So if we modify fractionals there, let's do set current and then do regen. But should escape, that's why it wasn't working. All right, there we go. Could probably move that a little bit up to where it's not hugging. Okay, looks good. Everything else looks okay. All right. Okay. Okay, a little bit tight again. And I'm gonna need to put that one in my template so I don't have to keep adding it, because that's not cool. 75%. It's going to be 0.75. There we go. Okay, let's change that to 75% view. And let's move this down a little bit. And actually, I probably want to move for a little bit. So I can move, oops, all of this. Just move it over maybe to there. Let's see what that does. Perfect. All right. I forgot to save this one. Let's save this as my third multi-view. Okay, so that's there. Everything looks good. Now we can plot it. Don't show that again. Okay, that looks good. And that's it. Turn that off. And there it is. Everything looks good. Okay, that's it.